Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial, where I will show you how to enable direct login in the BoldDesk software. The customer service portal is designed to streamline the support process for users. It allows agents and customers to submit tickets, track their status, and interact with each other. Users cannot view tickets in the portal without signing in. To enhance portal access and streamline the user experience, you can configure your login settings to allow users straight into the portal upon sign-in, reducing the steps required to access the portal. Users can quickly and securely access their portal by disabling extra sign-in options and enabling a single preferred method, bypassing the login page. Before setting up a direct login, ensure that the user has a registered account with the software product. The portal is accessible online. The user credentials are securely stored in the system. Now, let me show you how to configure BoldDesk for a direct login. First, I configure the settings for the agent portal. I log into BoldDesk as an admin and navigate to the Admin Center. I select Agent Portal in the Settings section. Then, I navigate to Login tab to open the Login Settings page. Here, I choose a login option based on need and enable it. The supported login options for direct access here is Social Login that provides Google, Facebook, and Microsoft login options. For the single sign-on type of login, there are OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect login options. To learn more about how to configure BoldDesk with Microsoft Entra ID single sign-on, follow the link in the card above and description below. I click Update to save the changes. It's recommended to activate only one login method from the available options, excluding the form login, to bypass the sign-in page and ensure direct access to the portal upon login. The process of configuring direct access for the customer portal is the same as the agent portal. To configure it, I open the Customer Portal Settings page and navigate to the Login tab, where I can make the necessary configurations. Once the configuration is completed, agents and customers will automatically be logged in as soon as they access the portal without even navigating to the login page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.